Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on creating a responsive mega menu using Bootstrap 5. In this video, I'll show you how to create a stylish and responsive mega menu that appears on hover. We should reach the next effect, so hovering topics element, a pop-up with navigation elements appears. Inside our mega menu, we'll divide the content into multiple categories. As you can see, each category has own column with relevant links. This makes menu visually organized and user-friendly. Let's examine HTML code. So here inside body we have nav element with Bootstrap classes navbar expand LG and navbar dark. These default Bootstrap classes are used for responsiveness and styling. Here we have a few other links like dashboard, and the next li element explains navigation menu. Here we have containers, a few containers, and inside we have categories for each group and elements of this category. Categories are represented with header 6 element, and all other are anchors. Then we have two more navigation links, and at last we have form with search input. Let's look at the CSS styles file. So here we made our navbar of background color blue, a few other styles. The most important style is this one, which makes appearing our pop-up on hover. Let's comment it and check the default behavior of Bootstrap. Let's refresh this page, and now this menu will appear just on click. And if I uncomment this style back and refresh it, so we achieve the desirable effect. And a few other styles for making our popover more user-friendly. Let's examine these styles briefly. So here I have styles for menu block and for their links inside this block, and also I have this media rule for screens less in width than 992 pixels. Let's examine how this page will look when screen width is small. So here we have the same effect. I made the width of this popover a little bit smaller, and also I hide search form. Bootstrap automatically handles responsiveness for us. We just need to ensure that the mega menu is wrapped inside a container fluid div element to make it stretch across the screen. And that's it. You've successfully created a responsive menu using Bootstrap 5. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.